Mr. Swiss on the beat. Yeah, check it. Fred Freeze, Mick D's, LC. What up? I take it easy. Cats tryna be where Freeze be. All eyes on me. If these fools can't see me, believe me. When I say I'm in the elevator, surpassing all these haters, huffing and puffing to catch me. I leave and breathing like Darth Vader. I'm in stealth mode, unknown to your radar. See you later, and I'm on to the next one. Rhymes keep coming, I'm like a Kenyan on these tracks. The flow keep running. Cats wanna run their mouth, guarantee they run nothing. Well, I'm doing something, pursuing stars through these ill bars. Fuck rapping about cars, yo. Rather be sitting high, chilling somewhere on Mars, bro. Out of this world with the flow, motherfuckers know. Going toe to toe, ain't gonna happen. Fake cunts always gapping when it comes down to the crunch. Make light snacks of these rappers, summer soda like brunch. Smoke mad blunts, catch me inhaling trees with Mick D's. My state at ease, combine the dro with the flow. Ain't nothing better than the 6 letter twice. Fred Freeze, homie. I take it easy. Let life just release me. The struggle isn't gonna hold me down, yo. I take it easy. Give you one shot, guaranteed I get the keys to the town. I take it easy. Let life just release me. The struggle isn't gonna hold me down, yo. I take it easy. Give you one shot, guaranteed I get the keys to the town.
I'm the one-way traffic tweaking, absorbing the track, the reason, sick of the mind, my treason, spitting a million ideas. Believe it, I'm coming to counters twice as hard this season. Neglecting dramas, I'm honest, I pass the bomber, the farmer has to harvest. I'm the gunner with you as my target. This rapping too much to slicker to tell my flow. Mick D's. I like them old caps, strapping tight, a starter got me rapping harder, grabs with a new rap. So, I lit in your world and I'm blazing the drove. Skipping rotation to Freddie and Elsie we go. Repeating the track, we sipping and keeping it low. Oh no, here we go, there it go. I'm fucking high again for 20 stairs a stroll. Attacking your harness, battle the hardest, your son, you'll only fall. It's best you know I'm running the show. Sitting back on the roller, Remy and ice in my glass just rolling. Tongue never sore, quit stalling. I ain't got a ride, but I get a girl to ride till morning, till morning, till morning. 40 years of reefer sticking, I'm moaning till morning. I take it easy, let life just release me. The struggle isn't gonna hold me down. I take it easy, if you're displeased, I'm easy. There's only gonna be one winner now.
I take it easy, let life just release me. Don't let the hustle go and break me down. I take it easy, I got one life, gon' fight for the bays, I'ma hold it down. Yeah, hold on 1 minute.
Alright.
Yeah, break time's over.
Yeah.
Just had to take it easy. On the mic, Mick D's, Freeze, LC. Yeah, we got the remedy. It's LC on the mic. Despite my rights, I'm spinning whatever the fuck I like. Everybody know that we got the hydro. Like every day anyway. Why you wanna go? Try take that away. Pass it to the left, pass it to the right. We can haze it up all night, do whatever we like. You heard the news that we gon' ride hot box. Come 420 flight, we got chops. No worries, joy ride to the city. I'm chillin' thinking about the days when I was back in Phillies. Burning my ciggy under the lights where it looks so pretty. Yeah, Ghost Rider. Next thing you know, I'm all alone in the cold. My phone it rings, I think it's just someone from my draw. She sent a message, stressing session, wanna fry. Take you for a ride, make you in the wild. Meet me in the Bayside, and she act right. I think I can feel it. We ain't broke that, but surely I could heal it. Swerve all night, hot box to the ceiling. Baby, no worries, no doubts, we can work it out. I take it easy, let life just release me. The struggle isn't gonna hold me down. I take it easy, I got one life, one shot.